Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 29th of November. And first of all, national news. Supreme Court set aside stay imposed by Punjab and Haryana High Court on WFI elections. Restrictions on all petrol diesel cars removed as Delhi air improves. Befitting tribute to people of Manipur, Navy unveiled INS Impulse Crest. Assets of those named by UNSC for terror funding to be frozen within 24 hours, government to agencies. Government launch Anganwadi protocol to track help children with disabilities. President Murmu received new voter ID card. Kerala government allotted new generation engineering courses in state-run colleges. Kerala governor cleared one pending bill, reserved seven for presidential assent. And now some international news. British PM Rishi Sunak cancelled meeting with Greek PM due to row over ancient sculptures. Australia said occurs a response to arms race, not fuel for it. Russia intensely attacking Avdiivka Robotin, Ukraine said. France to ban smoking on beaches, public parks, near schools. Bharat Biotech Sydney University announced pact to advance vaccine research. Abu Dhabi shined with 4,800 illuminating geometric shapes for 52nd National Day. Now some sports news. Six players out as Australia announced big changes in T20 international squad midway through India series. Arena Sabalenka to play Brisbane International in warm-up for Australian Open defence. Indian Street Premier League to start from March 2. Mrinal Chauhan stunned India number 1 Dheeraj to make men's recurve final. Complete focus is on next year's Paris Paralympics shooter Avni Likhara. A 39-member core group named for national camp. India coach Craig Fulton seek fresh perspective for Olympic preparation. Now, business-related news. Stock markets close higher on FANG in buying, snap two-day losing streak. Global goods trade recovering driven by EV sales. WTO. Finance Ministry, other stakeholders to meet on curbing digital frauds, cybersecurity. Bengaluru's Yeshwantpur being developed as a world-class railway station, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. TCS rupees 17,000 crore shared buyback to open on December 1. And that's all in news. Thank you.